This is not real subway surfers. This is my edition made with Unity. So I started with the railway. Using 3D Max, I created a railway with enough vertices that I can bend it. And in Substance Painter, I painted the railway and now it looks cool. Then I imported the railway into Unity. It looks good. Then I created a PBR shader graph to bend the railway's vertices. It's cool. Then, for each block of railways, I created a block generator script, so each block can generate the next block and destroy the previous one according to camera's position. So we get infinite blocks. Then I created a basic movement script and added the script into a capsule just to see how it looks. It's cool. Then I found the Subway Surfers Jack character in Sketchfab. It's a good modeling and it's low poly. It's by Yobo Pere 23. Then with Animator and through a script, I replaced the capsule with the character. Then barriers. Using 3D Max, I modeled 2 barriers and textured using Photoshop and then imported to Unity. Also, I modeled a train and painted with Substance Painter, then imported to Unity. Then, I made a simple landscape with an overhead line or electricity wire over the railway and a bridge, and then imported them into Unity and also added a particle system as snow. And now it looks good. Then trees. This is only a simple plane with transparent tree texture and of course with the bend effect, but it's gonna change the scene a lot. So in Subway Surfers, if you hit a train from sides, right or left, you still have one more chance to play. But if you hit the train in front, you will immediately die, or you just lose the game. But with these things, you can still walk over trains. So to achieve that in my game, I created different colliders for each train, from sides, from top, and also in front. Since I added specific tag to them, so I know which part I hit. I controlled this through a script, so now if I hit a train from sides, I can still play, but for second time, I die. And also if I hit trains in front, I will die immediately. Then, I created 2 cylinders with 3D Max and added glowing stars using shader graph in Unity in order to appear around the character's head when we hit something. Then I created some different blocks with different weathers. Snow, spring, autumn, pink, and dark block. Then I added random trains and also more details for each block. Then I added weather transition. So when we move from block to another block, fog and sky color will adjust with the new environment. Then I created a 3D coin and imported to Unity. And I'm gonna use this character as a cup. It's low poly and fat, just like a cup. So the cup gonna follow the player's position. Then I added animation to the cup. Also, I created a UI panel which appears when you die and shows the coin and score you made in this game, also your high score. After adding post-processing and sound effects, this is how it comes out. And please hit subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.